Throughout the next 50 hours, using a lot of different methods, I'm going to try and build myself a gaming setup for completely free. So I did this challenge a couple of months ago, and I actually managed to build this setup within 10 days.
Now I want to really push myself and try and do this within 50 hours. So here are the rules.
Rule 1, I can't spend any of my own money. That goes without saying. Rule 2, travel is free. Kinda. Well, I've got like half a tank of gas, and when that runs out, there's no more free travel. And finally, rule number 3, the setup must be able to run OG Fortnite at least 30 frames a second. Time is currently now 11:58, so I guess the timer starts now.
Now, if we want to find some free stuff, there is only one site to go on, and that is Facebook Marketplace. All you got to do is type in what you want, set the filter to free, and a bunch of stuff just comes up. Free, 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 free. And obviously you get some of them that say free, but then they're like, oh, we want £120. You said free! Why is it not free? All the other stuff on here is pretty much good to have. Look at this. Look at this desk. Free. We got this one here. It's got a keyboard tray. It looks a bit not amazing. Now, the thing is with Facebook Marketplace, you can actually find some incredible stuff on here. The problem is you might have to drive like 100 miles. That's the catch. And obviously we've only got a certain amount of petrol, so we can only drive so far. So I'm going to set my max distance to 20 kilometers, and we'll see what we can find. Oh, free monitor. Quite far away though. I don't think we can do it. This one here is free, but too far away. The other problem with Facebook Marketplace is people think their stuff is worth way more than it actually is. Like, look at this here, right? This person is selling a used keyboard, headset, mouse, and mouse mat. You might think, oh, £35 down from 50, that's a good deal. However, I am not making this up. If you just go onto Amazon and type in gaming setup accessories, guarantee you the first thing on there is the exact same thing for cheaper. Who are you fooling? Who's buying that? People think their stuff is so much more valuable than it is. Once it's used, the price gets halved at least. Ooh, that's not bad. It's not too far away. It looks a little bit dirty, but it's nothing we can't really fix. Yeah, I'm messaging this guy. That'll be a very good desk if we can get this one. Oh, there's some good ones here though.
Out of all the free desks that I saw, this one looked the most like it belonged in a gaming setup. So I decided to message the guy, and after an hour he got back to me saying that I could pick it up now.
Okay, so we are off to a very, very good start. Already we've got a desk. Probably going to need a bit of cleaning, but you know, when you get stuff for free off Facebook Marketplace, there's always going to be something wrong with it. It might be a bit dirty, there might be missing parts. There's always something a little bit wrong, but as long as it ain't too wrong, that's fine with me. This guy lives about 19 minutes away, so it shouldn't take too much of a hit on our fuel tank. And the biggest problem is actually, can I fit it in the car? The last time I attempted this challenge, I admit I had a bit of help from sponsors, a bit more than what I should have done. And that's why I'm going to put a new rule in place. If we can contact any brands, we're not allowed to take anything that's over £50, and it can't be anything essential like a chair or a computer or a monitor. It can only be for like little things.
So I made my way to the guy's house to get our first free item for this setup.
So we're here. I'm gonna go undercover filming because I don't want to be shoving cameras in people's faces. I'll see you in a minute. Hello, mate.
Home office, is it?
Yeah. That should fit. Wait, hang on. Okay. Oh God, that might just fit. Come on. Yes. Look at that. Right, desk has been ticked off.
Now as I was making my way home, the desk was already showing some problems.
There was a bit of rattling. Oh, it's because it's got a cup holder on it. I didn't realise that. Look at me, man, making deals on Facebook Marketplace. So that means our current setup consists now of a desk and a cup holder. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Oh God. And here is our brand new desk. This thing's pretty good. It just needs a little bit of a clean.
Now I've got something to admit to you guys. I may have contacted a brand called Ugreen a couple of days ago so that the setup could be hooked up with 1 or 2 plugs and charging leads. However,
yeah, they've sent a lot of stuff. We got a USB multi-function adapter. We got 3 of these Nexode robot fast chargers. We got charging cables and a Digi Nest Cube. I'm gonna put that in the setup, and I'm also gonna put this a power brick. I need a charging lead as well, so I'm gonna have the charging lead. The other things I'm gonna use in my actual setup. Apart from this, I'll give this away on Instagram.
so here's a quick overview of the items that I'm adding to this setup.
A 7-in-1 charging station with 3 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports that can be used with virtually any device.
Let's pop this open. This is a really unique extension lead. So now we can have an extension lead with multiple plug sockets and USB ports.
We've also got a Nexode RG 65-watt charger, which charged my phone from 4 to 61% in just 30 minutes. Plus, whilst charging, you can check the charging status with the mini smart screen, which displays different emojis is based on the charge level. And as well with its 3 ports, you can power devices simultaneously, whilst not having to worry about it overheating due to Ugreen's intelligent temperature control. As well, Ugreen's got a load of Black Friday deals on right now where you can get up to 50% off, so if you need some stuff for your setup, there'll be a link in the description.
Now that we've sorted out the setup source of power, we need to find a gaming chair.
Look at this chair is going for £50. Someone's been biting the armrest, like someone has just gone to their armrest and gone, you can honestly get a chair similar to that for cheaper. This person has put up their old chair, 50 quid. It's literally new, but he's putting it up there for 50 quid. Now, what would you rather have? Would you rather have this, or would you rather have that? Okay, this thing here is quite fair. 25 quid, got a little rip in the seat. That's fine. Like, I could see myself buying that if I wasn't trying to do this whole thing for free. There's a chair here, which someone has left out in the rain. There's a rip or two at the top. That ain't too bad. We could get that, to be fair. I might give this guy a message and see if I can pick that up today.
So I gave the guy a message, but he left me on red for like 4 hours, which really ate up some of our time. But then eventually,
You know that horrible gaming chair we saw earlier? Well, yeah, the guy has agreed to give us it. So let's go collect it. Okay, we are getting very close now, so I think we're gonna hide the camera again because we don't want to dox people.
Hello, mate. Is this the,
There it is.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
And now we've got ourselves a brand new chair. Look at this. This ain't too bad. And it's on brand as well. So that's not too bad. The guy was like, oh yeah, sorry about the rip. And I was like, bro, you posted it in the rain. Like, don't tell me about damage, bro. Wheels work. My bum's a bit wet now though. Get in. Oh my God, why is this so tricky? I need a bigger car. That'll do. Let's go home. Today has just gone so well. I just hope tomorrow goes even better because we got to get our hands on a lot more stuff. Get a console, maybe a few gaming accessories like a headset, mouse, keyboard, stuff like that. For now though, let's get this thing home. Let's get this thing inside. Oh my God, I nearly dropped the car keys down the lift. I'll see you at the top. Oh wow, look at this. We've got this for free.
with the newest edition of this slightly damaged and broken chair, this setup is starting to come together.
Look at all this that we got for free. We got a desk, chair, cup holder. I'm extremely happy with today. Like I said though, tomorrow is going to be even crazy. We've got a lot of stuff to get. We've got to get like a PC/console. We've got to go get like gaming accessories. We've still got a monitor to get. It's going to be one hell of a day tomorrow, but we're just going to have to power through it.
Now here's a quick progress update of where we're at right now. We've currently got 88% of fuel left in our car. This is the full list of everything that we've got today. And when I wake up tomorrow, we're only going to have 29 hours to complete the rest of this setup. Episode 2 is coming out tomorrow, guys. I'll see you there.